Company with strong clientele, good order book, and high promoters holding. Atlanta Electricals Ltd, a transformers manufacturer. Company has over 30 years of experience in manufacturing power transformers, auto transformers, inverter duty transformers, and more. About 73% of the revenue is generated from power transformers, 11% from auto transformers, 11% from inverter duty transformers, and remaining from others. Company serves diverse industry segments, where 75% of the revenue is generated from transmission and distribution, 16% from renewable solar, 5% from renewable wind, and remaining from others. The company was incorporated in 1988 and got public in 2025. They are based in Anand, Gujarat, with more than 490 employees. Company has 5 manufacturing plants in Gujarat and Karnataka, spread across area of 321,451 square feet, and production capacity of 63,060 MVA, with 98% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 9,469 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,231 rupees per share. The company has 28% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 90% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company serves 251 clients, from 19 states and 3 union territories across India. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding since the IPO. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. Some clients of the company are Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation, Shyama Power, Adani Renewables, Tata Power, O2 Power, Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation, Tamil Nadu Transmission Corporation, ABN Tower and Transmission, SMS Group, and more. In November 2025, company secured an order worth Rs 298 crores from Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation and order worth Rs 146 crores from Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation. Top 2 clients contributes about 39% of the total revenue. As of December 2025, company has a strong order book of Rs 2,451 crores and plans a capex of Rs 180 crores in fiscal year 2027. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.